everyone, this is Pranshi Verma from ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. In this lecture, we will discuss the last topic of Unit 4, that is Properties class in Java. Let's get started. Property class in Java. Properties class in Java is a part of the java.util package and is used to handle configurations, data, and application settings in your system. It extends the hash table classes, which means it inherits the properties and all the methods of hash table. And we can say that the property class in Java is subclass of hash table, and that is primarily used to maintain list of values in which the key is a string and the value is also a string. This class is commonly used for managing application configurations, different storing settings. Let's move forward and discuss some key features of the properties class. In properties class key features, first we have storage. The property class in Java is a specialized version of the hash table class. And as you know, it stores key value pairs where both keys and values are a string. This make it ideal for storing configuration data. Internally, it inherits all the methods and behavior of a hash table, and thus it can store data efficiently, constant time performance for basic operations, for example, get and put operation. Next, we have persistence. Properties class provides convenient methods for reading from and writing to input and output streams. This allows to persist key value pairs easily. And this means you can save the properties to a file and load them back when needed. So, properties class are very persistent in nature. Next, we have inheritance. As you know, the properties class extends the hash table class, which means it inherits all the methods and behavior of a hash table. This includes methods for inserting, retrieving, and manipulating key value pairs. So we can say that properties class have a very important features, that is inheritance. So it's all about some main key features of properties class. Let's move forward. Let's discuss properties class common methods. And in this, first we have some adding and retrieving properties method. And first we have set property method of a string key and a string value. Set property method is used to add a new key value pair to the properties object, or it's used to update the value of an existing key. Next, we have get property method of a string key. The get property method retrieves the value associated with the specified key, and if the key is not found, it returns null. Next, we have get property method of a string key and a string default value. The get property method with a default value returns the value associated with the specified key, or the provided default value if the key is not found. Now we have methods about loading and saving properties. And in this, first we have load method of input stream in stream. Load method reads a property list, that is key value pairs from the input byte stream. Next, we have the store method of output stream out stream and the string comments. The store method writes the property list, that is in the form of key value pairs, to the output stream with an optional description or comments. Next, we have default properties method, and in this we have set default of properties default method. Here, the properties class allows for a creation of default properties that will be used if a property key is not found in the main properties object. This can be achieved by passing another properties object to the constructor of the main properties object. So it's all about different methods of properties class and their key features and introduction of properties class in Java. These are the references are used to design this lecture. Thank you so much for